Hello friends, I advocate Jayan Pandey. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss about various judgment in which dispute is pertaining to the selection notified by an advertisement. A citation of judgments in link description. A very recent judgment passed by Honorable High Court in which dispute is regarding not following the eligibility criteria as notified by an advertisement. The petition is related to Combined State Upper Subordinate Services PCS General Recruitment Physically Handicapped Backlog Special Recruitment Examination 2018, in which eligibility as notified in advertisement for principal government intermediate colleges for boys or girls are: first eligibility is a postgraduate degree from a university established by a law in India or a degree recognized by the government as equivalent. Second is LG Diploma of the Department of Education Uttar Pradesh, or BT or B.Ed, or an equivalent degree of a university. And third is at least 3 years teaching experience in high school or intermediate classes or classes higher than above from a college or university established by law in India or any such institution recognized by the government. Now the condition of eligibility, as it is clear from clause 8 of the advertisement, was that the candidates must possess all the requisite qualifications and eligibility condition till the last date for submitting the application form. In another notification, further provided that the candidates had to furnish necessary experience certificate in view of notification dated 27/6/2020 at the time of interview. Now, from two notification dated 27/7/2020 and 6/7/2020, that all those candidates who were invited for interview for the post of principals were required to furnish experience certificate duly on date of interview, and in the event of non furnishing of the said certificate they would not be permitted to participate in the interview. Now, in above case, Honorable High Court held that every selection process has to be conducted by the Commission in a transparent manner and is strictly as per the requirements of the advertisement, which must be in conformity with the recruitment rules. Subsequent change of procedure or rules of the game is not permitted to the Commission during the course of the selection processes. So friend, hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and comment your views in comment section. Thank you for watching.